Hey everyone, you are watching me Vinayaka on VGS World. In today's video, let us unbox a mobile phone from the brand Motorola. It's Motorola G54. I bought it in mint green color. It's an 8GB 128GB storage variant. It got recently launched on Flipkart and I ordered it. I have already received the package. Let's unbox and check what we have got inside the box. Before that, you are new to VGS World and haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and support the channel. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Here we go. This is how the box of Moto G54 5G looks like. Product information is clearly given on the box. MRP of this product is 17,999 and we will be getting this for around 14 or 15,000 rupees on various online e-commerce websites. I bought this from Flipkart and I'll leave the links in the description below. If in case you like the mobile phone, you can go and check it out. Inside the box, we have got our phone in mint green color. It looks very nice. It's good to have a protective cover for the phone. It has got a dual camera setup, which is of 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel. It has got 16 megapixel of secondary camera. This phone is made up of plastic and the build quality is decent. It has got fingerprint reader on the side. Volume rocker buttons have tactile feedback. It supports nano SIM card. And the variant which I have got here is 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It has got 6.5-inch LCD display. It has got Dimensity 7020 chipset inside. Here we have the SIM ejection tool, and along with it we have a couple of paperworks. Here we have got the charging brick. It's a 32-watt charging brick. And also we have the USB-C type cable to charge the mobile phone. Nothing else inside the box. Let's take a glance of Moto G54 once. It supports 5G bands, so you can use 5G on this mobile phone. And it comes with a 6000 mAh battery, so definitely you will be getting a good battery backup from this phone. Unboxing experience and the impression of the device is quite good so far. I have to check the performance of the device by using it for a couple of weeks, and if possible I'll be making a video on that soon. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do share and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.